15-181 State versus Joseph Birmingham. Criminal attempt to furnish prohibited articles.
We're going to make a request that they hold him over at the county jail, though, for a week in case that we can reach a resolution on this matter. We can take the plea in front of Judge Webb next week.
Okay. We'll leave it as scheduled. 15-336 State versus James Lally. Burglary, theft, methamphetamine, drug paraphernalia. 15-246 burglary, theft. 15-177 breaking or entering, drug paraphernalia.
And I'm not sure that he's been arraigned on 336. On that case, we'd wait for reading of the information and our plea of not guilty.
Okay. Case is before Judge Webb. We'll be here on November 19th, 9 o'clock. 15-167 State versus James McDaniel, criminal mischief, possession of instrument of crime. 14-85. It's a drug case. Rather
Your Honor,
lengthy.
Mr. McDaniel appears with us today. 14-85 was set for trial in October. 15-167 is set for trial on Tuesday. With the court's blessing, Mr. Chisholm and I will get together and decide which case we'll try on Tuesday. I would prefer to try the old one rather than the new one. Be that as it may, if we could leave us both on for Tuesday. I've talked with Mr. McDaniel, and he has decided to waive a jury for Tuesday and try this case to the court with the state's assent. The court desire we make some inquiry of him, or would you prefer a written waiver?
A written waiver would be fine, but we may have a jury trial to try if he's not going to want a jury trial on Tuesday. So,
Okay.
but we'll see.
All right. But for now, we'll leave them both on for Tuesday, and,
Right.
okay, very well. Thank you, Your Honor. May he be excused?
Yes. State versus Jennifer Rivera. Forgery in the second, theft of property. 14-171. Is this a arraignment rather on a petition to revoke?
Yeah, we're in a plea of not true.
Okay. I've appointed the public defender to represent you. Hearing on November 12th, 10 o'clock or soon thereafter, if we can get to it.
I want to play out.
15-27 State versus Elvin Williams. Possession of methamphetamine, drugs and firearms, paraphernalia, marijuana, speeding. Sir, I'm looking at a police statement. Have you gone over this?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the police statement?
Yes, sir.
You understand the charges against you and the range of penalty if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to misdemeanor possession of drug paraphernalia and pleading guilty to misdemeanor possession of marijuana?
Yes, sir.
By doing so, you're giving up your right to have a trial, and you also give up your right to an appeal. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
This time, sir, on each charge, you'll be sentenced to 12 months probation. You'll pay $200 in cost, a $500 fine, a $20 booking fee. Pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days. You make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to see a probation officer before you leave. You'll just go with this gentleman.
All right. Thank you, sir.
15-301, State versus Mark Baker. Forgery in the second, criminal attempt to commit theft. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're appearing for attorney status.
Yes, sir. I need maybe be able to continue it so I can retain a lawyer.
I thought you were going to do, that was what you were going to do last time. Am I wrong?
No, I filled out an application for the public defender and then called them and it wasn't accepted or something like that. I called them last week, it wasn't accepted, so now I have to pay for a lawyer.
I don't recall. Did he not qualify?
I never received an application, Your Honor, and I am the one that talked to him
Okay.
on the phone.
Give him an application and let him fill it out again. What are you going about to say?
I filled one out over in misdemeanor court.
Okay, this is a different court. though.
Okay.
Just fill out this application. I'll call your case later. 15-297, State versus Vernon Henson. Possession of firearms with certain persons, disorderly conduct, public intoxication.
Judge, Mr. Henson's here. There's no action to take today. I'm in receipt of a plea statement or a plea offer that I'll have him come in and we'll go over. Otherwise, we'll just leave it as scheduled.
Okay. He was appearing for attorney status. Would public defender be
I
representing?
believe so, Your Honor.
Okay.
Did you? May I approach, Your Honor?
You may. Okay, I've appointed the public defender to represent him.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. 15-261, State versus Abo Alhami. 15-261. It's a
Judge,
hot
he-
check case.
He appears here. I believe the matter has been scheduled. At this time, there's no action to take in the case. Leave it as scheduled.